the kids all happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Tagal. Happy birthday, Naning.
To you.
Happy birthday, Amber. I love you very much. Nakukuha ba ako?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to school now. Come on. Go. Go, go. It's 5:35 in the afternoon. It's almost dark here. We just came from the school for the practice of the two kids. And they are eating shomai. Hey guys, look here.
Papa, manakaw tayo sa bahay na yun.
Go.
Papa, paano tayo maglalakaw? Gawin ba?
Oh, Isley's going to school now. Here's Talia. Okay, come on.
Ito pa kasi.
6:55.
Naisip ko.
Yes, mas maganda pumunta sa school. Di ba? We'll take the shortcut. Isley decided to go to the school now. Boardless sa house, she learns nothing. Kaya she decided to go to the school. Okay kids, here's your bags. Bye kids. It's 3:20 in the afternoon, Friday the 13th. And we're on our way home now. It's drizzling at the moment, gloomy, but not windy. Hindi, siomay. Ano ko, sige, kikya mo, sige, para ba? May kikya ba? Okay, o, sige, bigyan mo sila. Bigyan mo sila. There's your kikiam. Oh, may kikiam pala eh. Okay, there goes the two eating kikiam. Let me see your kikiam. I'll see nga.
How many pieces?
12, tig to 12. O, tig to 2 ang isa. Oh. Okay, come on. Ubusin niyo yan. Pagdating ng gate, ubus na. Okay? Sige, ubusin yan until the house. That's your snacks na.
Sawa na kasi kami sa siomay.
Okay.
Dito ko sa likod, yung linya. Kikiam yan eh. Kikiam good.
The kids are on their way to the school Saturday for their drum and lyre practice the whole day today. Are you okay, kids?
Yeah.
Let me see your face, Isley. Did you wear your mask? Okay. Okay. They're holding the baton there. Me also here. One line. I'll sing the baton there. You're holding. Oh, you see? Me also here. Oh. Okay, go. Funny kids. It's Sunday today, December 15, 2024, and we're on our way to this church and then to the chapel. To the school.